Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to recover and reopen a closed DM on Discord mobile. So this method will work for both friends and non-friends. So even if you are no longer seeing the conversations in your DM list, you can still find it again for your friends or for your non-friends. And in here, first make sure your Discord app is updated to the latest versions. And then after that, just open the Discord and then just go to your direct messages like this. You can see it, and normally all of your recent conversations will appear on here like this. And now let's say you accidentally close one of your DMs. For example, in here I want to close this DM. Just tap on this DMs and then just tap on close DM. And then I want to close this one. I want to close this one too, like this. And just like that, the conversations will immediately disappear from your DM list. You can see it. But don't worry, closing a DM doesn't delete the conversations or your message history. It's just simply remove the conversation from your current DM list. So how do we recover it? It's actually really easy. First, you just need to tap on this search icon, and then in here you can uh, search for the person that you want to message again. If you remember their Discord username, just simply type their username into the search bar and then just look for their profiles. Like for example, in here I want to choose my non-friends like this. After you find the person that you want to message again, just tap on it. And just like that, you can see it. The DM will reopen and your previous conversation history should still be there like this. You can see it. But just keep in mind for unknown friends, there's one important requirement. You need to share maybe at least one Discord server with that one person. As long as you're both member of the same server, you can search for their username and access their profiles easily. And then next for the persons that already your friends, you can just do same way. Just search for their username to the search bar like before, or you can also found them at your friend list. If you forgot their username, you can just do this step. You can just go to your friend list by tap on your profile and then just go down until you get this friend list, this one. And then in here you can find their profile, and then once you have found them, just simply tap their profiles and just tap on the message icon, this one. And just like that, you can see it. The conversations will appear in your DM list again and you can continue chatting normally. So remember, closing a DM doesn't delete it. You can just recover it anytime by finding the username again and opening the message options. And okay, that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.